So the idea was to be able to better track leads and how they flow on to lodgements and conditional approvals, formal approvals, and settlements. I wanted to track that in two ways: the number of leads that we're getting and the dollar value of those leads and approvals, lodgements, etc., etc. And also got a column for what we lost, and so we can see as well what we lost and why we lost it. The data is coming from Sales Tracker, and there's a Zap from Zapier set up that automatically pulls that data from Sales Tracker and dumps it into the spreadsheet here. So all the leads are being put in here automatically with the information that is important. The deal ID, which is actually not important for now, we are actually aiming to build this into an app, and then we need the deal ID, but for now in the spreadsheet it's not. And then the deal value labels, which are put on in Sales Tracker, and it tells me is this a lead from Facebook or is it a first-time buyer. Lots of information that we can put in labels that goes in that field. The current status deal, and the date of the lead. And then from there, it is at this stage a manual process where we put deals in lodgement. I keep them gray if they're planned to be lodged for this month. And if they're in black, if I change the color, that's again manual. Then they are lodged, but it does allow me to see, okay, and some calculations here in the yellow line on a monthly summaries. So what we lodged for the month in numbers and in dollar value, and the same for conditional, same for formal and for settled, and then there is also lost. Yep. Okay, and there's also a separate tab that every update in Sales Tracker is being pushed again through Zapier to this spreadsheet, so I can see all the changes, stages changes, and status changes from Sales Tracker into my database, and so I can see, okay, I can do a filter on a particular deal if I want to see only what's happened to that deal, and it will show me the progress of that deal through our Sales Tracker system. And it's really meant to give me a way of managing what we've got in the pipeline, because this is my pipeline. What is a new lead and what hasn't been launched yet, that's my pipeline. And some of these are from the month before, but that's what I do manually. Do I think this deal is going to get lodged this month, etc. So what's in the pipeline and what are we doing in regards to lodgement and settlement? Those are the main ones that I'm looking at. And this is a summary tab that collates all that information. So my leads for all the months, lodgements, conditionally approved, and then I've put here the same data, but without the dividers, so I can just put it in a graph. So this shows me how I'm trending.